Why should you not talk to the police? Everyone has heard that answer before, right? No, never talk to the police. But people don't really talk about the reasons behind it and the difficulty behind it. A good friend of mine, a seasoned defense attorney, was stopped by a police officer for a traffic ticket, and he asked her for her license insurance. She handed it to him. He asked her where she was coming from, and she said nothing. Asked her where she was going, she said nothing. This went on for a few minutes. And she finally broke down and talked to the officer. And she goes, I advise my clients to not talk to police, and it's difficult because you have this urge to appease, to make the officer happy. But the reason why you should never talk to the police without your attorney present is because their job is to investigate possible crimes. Their job under their manuals, their standards under the law, is to investigate criminal activity. They're looking for evidence of a crime. They're collectors of that information. And unfortunately, even in our everyday lives, I think we've been there where someone can say something and it's taken out of context. Someone hears it differently. Once you say something, once it's out of the box, it doesn't matter if it's true or untrue, it's out there. You can't take that back. And talking to an officer without your attorney present, without someone trained to analyze and say exactly what it is you want to say and say it exactly how you want to say it, can only open the door to incriminate you, to get you in trouble, whether you're innocent or guilty. The reality is this: innocent people have been convicted. Innocent people have spent 15, 20 years in prison. Does that mean that you're facing 15, 20 years because you're stopped by a police officer? No. But situations like that arise because they aren't protected from the very beginning. They don't have that bodyguard to make sure that what is being said to the officer is what should be said. So if an officer asks you information, be polite. Always be polite. Give them your license. By law, you're supposed to. If you have insurance, give them that. But aside from that, say you want your attorney. Stand by that, as difficult as it is.